Welcome back. Today we discuss profit and loss. In this video, we will go over the profit and loss section inside the accounts module. Head over to the accounts and select profit and loss, or use the smart search like I do. Once you land on this page, this allows you to review your profit and loss statement for a selected time period. At the top, you can choose a filter from today, this week, this month, this year, or even a custom range. Once you select the time period, click Apply. The system will calculate the profit and loss details for that selected range and display the results on the page. Here, you can view important financial information such as gross sales, margin, cash purchases, check purchases, payroll, lottery commissions, fuel profit, income, expenses, and other profit and loss details. Some values may appear as clickable blue links. When you click one of these links, the system will show you the detailed records behind that amount, such as the actual purchases included in the total. When you click on one of these links, the system will show you the detailed records behind that amount, such as the actual purchases included in that total. After reviewing the details, you can close the window and continue reviewing the statements. You can also download the profit and loss report to your computer in an Excel format. At the top of the page, you will also see a sales summary section. When you click it, the system will take you to a graph view. From there, you can switch between different reports view such as profit graph, sales versus purchase, payroll, lotto commission, and other available summaries. From the top section, you can also choose to display the column by days, weeks, months, quarters, or years. Besides that, you can also compare another period selected from previous period or previous year. On the top, you can also set a scheduler. In case you want to have a schedule for the reports to be sent to you by email, you could click on Set Scheduler. Add the schedule title. Select the report, like right now I'll put profit and loss. Click Next. Then select the schedule, daily, weekly, or monthly. If you select weekly, you would need to select the number of days listed down here. If it's monthly, you would need to select the beginning of the month, mid, or end of the month. Then choose the time, what time you would like to receive the reports. Then click Next. Now you select which format do you want it in, CSV or Excel. Once you click Next, it will ask you where you want to send it to. You will have a scheduler group, but if you want to go to email, click on Add on the top right. Select the type and switch that to email. Enter the group name, add the email address, and save it. Once done, the reports will be generated and sent to you via email based on the schedule that you select here. And that's all for the profit and loss report. And I'll see you guys in our next video.